How about you, Frances? How do you take care of your mental well-being?
You know, just to share also, I think the closest thing na I went through was the postpartum depression. Kasi at that time, it was the pandemic. And then I just gave birth. And then no one is allowed to come visit me. Tapos parang feel ko, ang taba ko, ang pangit-pangit ko, may baby ako, nagagawin ko dito. Yung ganon, ang dami, ang dami. So I think what helped me was being vulnerable, being open to what I'm really feeling and sharing it to the people who love me. Because I think right now kasi people expect us to be strong, to be like, kaya mo yan, go! Diba? Pero if doon ako lagi magdudwell, parang hindi ko kakayanin eh. Parang I have to be vulnerable so that like the other people can help me. And then I think also that if I'm vulnerable, that's the time when I'm actually showing more of a strength than a weakness. Kasi I'm being vulnerable to this person, diba? Parang help me, get me out of here, parang ganon. So that helped me. So at that time, ganun ako sa husband ko. Syempre, no one else to talk to but him, right? So it helped me a lot. So I was able to get out of the postpartum depression.